What is a clinical endpoint in clinical trials? Imagine you're trying to find out if a new treatment really helps patients. How do you measure that? That's where clinical endpoints come into play. They are specific outcomes or events that a clinical trial tracks to see if the treatment is effective and safe. Think of them as the clear signs that show whether the treatment is making a difference. Before a trial even starts, researchers carefully pick these endpoints. They want to answer the main questions about the treatment's benefits. For example, in a cancer trial, a common endpoint might be how long patients live after starting the treatment. This is called overall survival. Other endpoints could include how much symptoms improve or if the patient's quality of life gets better. These help show benefits beyond just survival. There are different kinds of endpoints used in trials. The main ones are called primary endpoints. These are the most important results the study aims to measure. They decide if the treatment works or not. Secondary endpoints give extra details. They might look at how well patients can do daily activities or how they feel emotionally. Sometimes, trials also include exploratory or tertiary endpoints. These are less common effects or new ideas that researchers want to investigate further, but they are not the main focus. Some trials use what are called surrogate endpoints. These are indirect measures that predict real benefits but don't directly show them. For example, in cancer studies, shrinking a tumor might be used as a surrogate to guess if the patient will live longer. Surrogate endpoints can speed up trials because waiting for actual survival data can take a long time. For patients thinking about joining a trial, understanding endpoints is helpful. They show what the study is trying to prove and how success will be measured. Endpoints also help doctors and patients weigh the possible benefits against risks or side effects. When reviewing trial information or consent forms, you might see descriptions of the endpoints. This helps you understand what outcomes the study is focusing on. To sum up, a clinical endpoint is a specific health result that a trial measures to see if a treatment helps patients. It guides decisions about new therapies and whether they should be approved for wider use. Knowing about endpoints helps patients and doctors understand what the trial aims to achieve and how success is defined.